Are we live? Oh yes! Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. I'm Pratik and today I'm going to unbox Samsung Galaxy Tab A7. Those of you who are Android tablet fan, this is a very good product. I've heard a lot of good reviews and I'm going to give you a quick unboxing of it. But before that, I suggest that you get the accessories like the tempered glass, the protective case, and it comes below 19,000. I'm going to leave the link below. It's an Amazon link and it's an Amazon choice, so it's very good and very reliable. And for those who are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe. Those who are already there subscribers, you please go ahead, like, share and share as much as possible, and your support means a lot to me. Love you guys, hope you guys enjoy this quick unboxing. Let's go ahead. So as you can see, this is the product, Samsung Galaxy Tab A7, and this is the screen guard, this is the protective case, and I've got an additional 256 SanDisk Extreme CU3, and you can shoot 4K videos and pretty good transfer. This is around 4,000 bucks in Amazon. So as you can see behind the box, you can see the details over here, the product details, from where it's manufactured and the month of year of manufacturing, and manufactured by, imported and marketed by, and all these are like the details over here, the tablet alone, and more details over here. This is the model SMT500, and it's the RAM, it's a dark gray color. RAM is 3 GB and the storage is 32 GB. So there you go guys. So you can expand your microSD. You can it's expandable up to 1 TB. So there you go. This is the boxing of the product. Let us unbox it now. Main camera is around 8 megapixel and the video takes around 1080p at 30 frames per second. The front camera is around 5 megapixel and it also shoots 1080p at 30 frames per second. So there you go. That's the tab. Pretty neat. Let us quickly fire it up. It's in fact it's very light, you know. It has got 4 speakers, one over here, 2 at the bottom, one microphone, USB Type C 2.0, and at the top it's got 2 more firing speakers. At this side it's got power button, volume rockers, plus and minus, the microphone, the 3.5 mm jack, audio jack, the micro SD card slot. So let's go ahead of this. There you go. you've got inbuilt applications like Netflix, obviously the Microsoft applications, Google Chrome, Gmail, YouTube. So pretty much everything, guys. So a lot of interesting. You got YouTube Music for good listening music and everything. So pretty nice. Just go ahead and check out the camera of this. Looks very decent. You can zoom. You can zoom from here also, and you can click on this if you want to zoom. So pretty visible. And this is your wide camera. This is a macro camera, so pretty nice. I like it. You got video mode. You can shoot up to settings over here. So you can shoot your video, which is 1080. Front also you can shoot 1080, and something called video stabilization and everything over here is pretty decent. So pretty interesting. There's a lot more things you can do. It has a scene recognition, panorama, pro mode, and hyperlapse, and you got live focus over here. You can just stay within few meters away, and it will just focus on the subject. Like pretty fancy stuff. So this is the product as such. You go to settings and see. Go out here. This is the software information. It's an Android 10. So that's the Android 10, guys. How cool is this? And that's your UI core version 2.5. These are the details, guys. So this product I just unboxed, and it's come 51% charge. That's super cool. Very good indeed. So you've got a lot of stuffs. You've got your language, contact us, you can your voice assistant, screen reader, visibility enhancement, hearing enhancement, interaction and dexterity, advanced settings. So pretty decent stuff. You've got user manual if you guys want to understand more about the product. This will be the guideline for using the entire details. So pretty good, very nice. I like the build quality. Sleek one, quite sleek I'll say, with some good alumni back casing. Just one 8 megapixel shooter, and I like it. And this it's got a Samsung brand logo here, and the product label over here, description of every GB RAM, and pretty decent, pretty nice. This is the product. Hope you guys like the whole feel of this is it. So that is about the product, and what comes inside the box is you have a quick start guide, the warranty card, a lot of details over here, and the ejector, the stop ejector. Then you have a box over here. You've got adapter and cable, USB Type C 2.0. There you go. And there's no earphones, guys. So it's just a product with your pin ejector, startup guide, the power adapter, power brick, the cable for charging, return cable, and the warranty card, and quick start guide. There you go. That's the unboxing of the product. We'll let you know once I finish setting this up, and we'll use it for a while to know how the product is, and we'll install this later. We'll also show you how I've installed this and how it looks with the case, and I will obviously do this and see how that works.